Hi, in this video I am going to explain how to set up playbooks using Docker Compose. Here I am going to follow this documentation on how to build using public Docker image. So let's clone the repository on your local machine. Now let's copy paste this command. It should be pulling publicly available images for Redis, Postgres, and the playbooks backend and web application. Now we can see all the images are pulled and started. Let's just quickly verify if our containers are up. We can see that this now should be running on port 80 on localhost. This is showing previously stored data in my local database because of the persistent Postgres volume that we have. Uh, Similarly, if you want to instead build using source and not use our publicly available images, instead of using this command, you can use this command and it will build the images locally and run them in containers. You can also use a custom Postgres database instead of installing it on the fly. You just have to create a .env file in the root directory, mention the credentials of that database, and it should use that external database. For installing playbooks on a computer, you should be good to start with a 2 CPU, 8 GB RAM machine. Then, based on your loads and the number of playbooks that you're running and their frequency, you may subsequently need to juice up the machine. Thank you.